Make a bang!
That's lethal.
Manual LS1.
LS1.
GearHeads turbo. GearHeads fuck off turbo. 109mm turbo, I think. Intercooler's all nice and hidden up in there, so you don't have to cut the bar. 58mm waist.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, little TIG welded turbo dump with
That
V-band.
tucks up nice.
It's neat.
That's weld porn right there. Ooh.
Oh, nah, hold on. I'll show you weld porn. Hold on. That's a weld. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, that's a weld.
We in the ghetto. Gra-da-da-ta.
Oh my fucking god.
Hello, is anyone in there?
Oh, shit!
Pissed.
Oh my god, cunt.
Too funny, guys. Too funny, guys.
Roger, Adam.
Come on. I don't jump, please.
Oh,
Pretty far. She's very far.
Yeah, I think she's done now.
making fat beats.
Yeah, done now.
Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Yeah, bud.
Yeah, the boys.
Alright boys, so we are down here at FABWORX workshop and we've got our brand new trailer and he's going to help us mount our winch onto it, and we're going to have a look at some of his cars and whatnot and the workshop and some of the stuff he does, because it's bloody sick.
Yeah.
And like I've said before, if you need any fab work, we're going to show you this is the place to go. In Canberra, any fab work, link in the description below. Yes! Oh, man. Holy shit. It'll make a bang.
It's like, look, can you do shazzy around on the ground, is there?
Yeah, literally.
He's got plates.
Just keep that
He's got
rolling.
plates.
Oh, bro, honestly, I just need to.
Yeah, he's got plates that he bolts onto it and then he can wrap it. Yeah, sparks and shit.
Yeah.
Let it fill right up so I can get it. Yeah. Holy shit, just a...
That's lethal.
Alright, we're on.
Alright, so we're going to show you boys the new big dog winch here, eh? Big Iron Man, 9,500 pounds, so that's 4,300 kg. It's a big dog. What is it? Synthetic rope. I don't know much else about it.
Yeah, you read the brochure, huh? Got one of the controls and that on it. Yeah, no, look,
That's
it's
the thing.
wireless buttons and
Press
everything.
the button and it goes.
Yeah.
Pulls cars and shit, so that's what we need. And yeah, and our Mad Dog mate here, you boys might.
Yeah, no, you just remember this. Yeah.
Saved the Prado once, now he's saving us again with the trailer. He's going to help us mount the winch up. And yeah, we're going to have a good old time.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, what do you got in the shop at the moment? Just doing a turbo setup, an intercooler package on a VZ manual LS1.
Big SS turbo.
Big SS fuck off turbo, 109mm turbo I think.
Oh yeah, nice wheels.
Did a 3.5-inch dump to the midway. Yeah. With a turbo and then all the intercooler package with a hidden intercooler.
Hidden intercooler?
Piping up in here.
Oh, look at that.
And the intercooler's all nice and hidden up in there so you don't have to cut the bar.
Wow.
Look at that from here, mate.
And one goes up the turbo there.
Up to the turbo, tucks in front of the radiator support. Look at
I
that.
customised the radiator support as well, so then it's only just got the cutout for the intercooler to sit behind.
Oh, yeah.
So it pretty much, if you pulled the front bar off, it looked like an OE spec fucking Rio. So
Yeah.
Wow.
Custom rack boot.
yeah, one of those project things.
No, but this thing's so cool, and that's so wastegate would be right.
Yeah, wastegate's gonna be V-banded off there. It's a 58mm wastegate.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it'll TIG welded turbo dump with
That
V-band.
tucks up nice, like
Yeah, no,
the crossover under the
Also ceramic
gearbox.
coated as well. Just gonna heat wrap the turbo dump though, so then you can take that on.
Look at all these welds, boys. If you want mint welds and you're in Canberra, mate, you know where to come now, don't you?
I love doing stainless segment bend stuff.
Yes.
Big into it.
it's neat.
That's weld porn right there.
Oh,
Oh,
wait, nah, hold on. I'll show you weld porn. Hold on. Watch this, boys. Hold on. That's a weld. Yeah. I'm back of this rig.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with this bloody rig. Woo!
It's nice.
Now that's a weld. Alright boys, so we've cut them open. Comes with a couple of accessories. We've got one of those, what are they called?
Dampener mats or whatever.
Yeah. Big Iron Man bag. A user guide. Fuck, I don't need that. Free the hose. Connection, got bolts. Oh, it comes with a little tow hook, that's sick. Iron Man 4x4, mate. Not bad.
That's for the winch. That's I think that's the wireless bit for that winch.
Oh, is it wireless bit?
Yeah. Yes, the little remote itself is wireless on the thing. It's pretty sick.
And here she is. Pretty chunky. Comes with a sick fucking
Big old dropper.
Yeah.
Oh, what? It's got a little iron.
yeah. They called it like a competition case or something.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
It looks pretty sick, to be honest. Oi! Mate, gotta love that. Big old guide for the chain.
Look at that.
That's fucking beautiful looking, eh? I'm glad I paid $1,000 for this. Honestly, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, I did want to make the winch removable for Prado purposes.
Yeah.
Maybe.
If you ever need to put it on there.
Yeah. If I want to go for a big day where I'm like going out the cotter all day.
Oh, you want
Well, no, you gotta go. You know a bloke with a Ranger. Yeah. Thing looks like it'll go anywhere. Oh, yeah, it sort of looks like those old school nitro RC cars that are all jacked up on the red rims. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like your childhood toy came to life.
Drives on water. Special edition. That's sick. Look at it. It's a big ball. That way.
Oh, yeah, you'll break an arm if you pick that up, mate.
More than me, I reckon.
Honestly. Far out.
Look at that.
So what's the plan with it now?
He's going to size it up and he's going to get a plate going that'll bolt to the bottom of this and then weld / bolt to that post.
To this bit here. Just to here.
Now we already sized the winch up off camera, but I'm not going to show you how it looks sitting down to the other plate because it just looks...
It looks so much meaner.
It looks so monstrous for the trailer.
Yeah.
It's such big energy. That's all I'm saying. I'm keen. So we'll show you how long we start welding and fiddling with it.
Here,
What are you fucking doing, mate?
yeah, no, it's fucking tighten here.
Big old plate here, boys.
There you go,
Got
bloke.
one of them.
Describe it up, mate.
You guys like your ears and shit.
Alright guys, real quick, I just need to let you know, things got really rowdy after this point in the night. We were doing something that I didn't want to have on camera, and then the boys were getting rowdy and they were putting it all on camera, and so I've removed it all from the video, but we now have our Patreon where I can put all that really out there sort of how you going clips, and so I'm putting all this content that you wouldn't usually see, that I wouldn't usually let anyone see this, but I know there's the legends that are down for us like that and they're going to pay that little bit of money, which we appreciate so much. And so outside of that as well, we're going to be doing a weekly live stream on the Patreon where I get a couple of the boys together. We fuck around for a few hours on live stream, talking shit to you legends, doing what we do off camera. And yeah, updates as we're filming it, weeks before it gets posted, photos from behind the scenes of stuff not even recorded, you know, things like that. So if you want to get more involved with the channel and you want to see more and also help out more, link to the Patreon below, because I'm starting to use that a lot now that I've properly set that up. It's pretty cool stuff there. So shout out to all the legends already subbed on the Patreon too.
What's going on here, mate? Golf tings. Golf tings. I want to see that thing just fucking bag it up. Whew. You hear the little turbo spool?
It's so standard looking, but I bet it sounds tough.
Well, it was just out of Mad's shop, getting exhaust fab. Mad.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
We in the ghetto.
Side check, that'll be like 500.
Go, do it. Do it. Give us a smile.
Nah.
Come on. Do it.
Little lanky cunts. I'll get him on the intersection.
Oh!
He dodged it. He dodged
Give us that fucking. Give us your cut, G.
Sign me up!
Take his hat off.
What's going on here?
Can't fucking see much.
See all those sparks? That's work. That's work going on behind that curtain.
Just give us the fucking. Give us the show the do. Give us the do. Show the do.
Come on, you know you wanna. Dylan exposed 2020 exposed.
Wait, give us the seed, alright?
I told you. Bro, this is why you don't trust the barber when you go there and there's a new person and they're like, yeah, it's alright, I'll do your normal.
Bro, he fucked me, bro.
Black boys. Did him dirty, boys.
What's happening on in here? Can't really see much with that curtain, no.
Oh no, go stand around it.
Reveal. Face missing. What happened?
Good sauce.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. So this will be. So this will be the mouth plate for our winch that will go onto our little winch post. Yeah, there she is. Nice cut, mate.
She's straight anyway.
Straight enough.
There she is.
Oh, halfway plate.
Just looking in.
Looks like a plate with a couple holes in it.
Here we go. Big boy Mig is out. Got the gas.
The ghoz.
So that plate's going to get welded straight to our winch post, and then obviously it's removable by bolts. Get some clips of the welds going. I'll show you the final product when we're done.
Hey Brendan, do us a favour and look into that.
Lamps are off, boys. It's getting late.
Oh, those are some mighty fine welds. Fucking Jesus.
Swoop.
There's box two.
Matt, you probably want to. Yeah, here he
Look
comes.
at this big dog on there.
Going the wrong way. Soup. All the measurements are out now.
Damn it, now I'm gonna fucking redo it. Here comes the fucking tail.
Oh, fucking Jesus.
Yes, we're gonna have to put the battery washer right there.
Hey, bud.
It's already straight anyway now. You already felt it. Yeah. It'll straighten out more like it's down as well.
Happy?
Good bloody good, I'm cheering. Look at that big dog.
Yeah. At least it's full of concrete shit now.
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
That's two, there's just here now.
There's one more left.
One more.
Fuck man, that's almost as heavy as you, John.
It's heavier.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not doing that. Carry that to the right.
Sure not.
Fuck's sake. Only if you take me to KFC, right? We gotta get the trailer.
It's kind of negotiating. What are you, the negotiator?
No, it's maybe not.